You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Today is day 2 in our 5-part series on moving to New Zealand, and we're going to take a closer look at our household goods moving services. This includes how we ship everything from furniture to cars, pianos, and even artwork. If you're moving from Los Angeles or San Francisco to New Zealand, we've got all the details you need to plan your relocation smoothly. So let's dive in. At SDC International Shipping, we know that moving your household goods internationally can seem daunting. But with our range of services, we make the process easy and worry-free. Our services include professional packing, air freight, ocean freight, secure storage, and international moving insurance. Whether your journey takes you from San Francisco to Auckland or from Dallas to Wellington, our relocation solutions are tailored to meet all your needs. One of the most common questions we get is, how much does it cost to ship household goods to New Zealand? Well, the answer depends on a lot of factors. This includes the volume of your items, the shipping method, whether you choose air or sea, and the specific services you may need. For example, door-to-door service from Los Angeles will have a different pricing compared to port-to-port delivery. So to get an accurate quote, you can just fill out our online form, and our logistics specialist will provide a customized estimate for your move. Now, let's talk about shipping your car to New Zealand. Yes, it is possible to bring your car, even a classic car. If your vehicle is over 20 years old, you're good to go. But newer vehicles have to comply with New Zealand's safety and regulatory standards. We offer both roll-on, roll-off, and container shipping options, depending on what suits your needs best. Remember, each foreign national and their spouse is allowed to bring one vehicle each, provided it has been owned and used for at least a year before it's shipped. For returning New Zealand residents, duties may be waived if you've owned the car for more than a year. Our experienced agents will guide you through the entire process, from arranging import paperwork to ensuring your vehicles arrive safely. Another important aspect of your move might be shipping special items like pianos or artwork. Moving these valuable items requires care and expertise, and at SDC, we have the specialized service to handle them properly. Our professional packing team uses high-quality materials and custom crating to keep your piano or artwork safe during the journey. We understand that these items are often irreplaceable, so we treat them with the utmost care, ensuring they arrive at your new home in New Zealand in perfect condition. The cost of shipping your car or special items depends on factors like the original location, the type of freight, and the final destination in New Zealand. Each customer's needs are unique, which is why we always recommend reaching out for a personalized quote. This way, you're going to have a clear understanding of the expenses that are involved, and that allows you to plan your move confidently. Thanks for tuning in to day 2 in our series on moving to New Zealand. SDC International Shipping has a wealth of experience helping people relocate. Whether you're shipping household goods, cars, pianos, or delicate artwork, we take care of the logistics so you can focus on starting your new life abroad. For more information or to get a free quote, you can visit sdcinternationalshipping.com and speak with one of our relocation experts today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.